America. Out here is fan-freaking-tastic. I'm loving this. Well worth the trip. I could go down this trail over and over again. Oh yeah, this is just like back home. Y'all need some help?
This is back at home, isn't it? Right here.
Yeah, this is nice, ain't it? I like it. Am I still good?
Yep, you're good.
Your battery's about to die.
Yeah, it was recording on the way down here.
Oh, I got you.
Because it's voice activated.
Oh, I got you. Let me see.
I don't found my new spot.
This is nice, right? This spot is nice. I could go down this. I could go down this trail all day.
Yeah.
I could all day. I could go do.
See, like me and him, this is what we like.
Yeah.
In Oklahoma, everything else is like fucked up. Right?
Yeah. I'm gonna jump in front of Edelman in case he needs a pull out. I don't think he will, but you're good. You're good. I'm a cut in line. You ready? You're okay. I got you. Oh yeah, we're just working it a little bit. That's right. Mini ass right there. No problem. Oh, you're good, you're good. You like that? You like it? Yeah. Almost. Those big horns are good, but in this kind of stuff, it's just not.
Hey, there you go, working. You got it.
I'll get him. I'll get him. Good old tiger tail.
I forgot you got waders.
Oh yeah, I'm good. Y'all,
I really have to get me a set. Oh, you want to do it like that?
Yeah.
That tiger tail's bad, dude.
I mean, we might just need a little bit from his winch though.
Yeah, you're out on tiger. All right, here we go. Hey, he should make it. He did damn good.
Let me know when you're ready, Edelman. You good? Yo. I'm sorry. Perfect. You got the winch, I'll get the tiger.
Yep. All right, Edelman.
You want to go around that way now? I'll see if I can pull them out.
Yeah, go up and around that way in case he's got to get them out.
Whoa! All right, all right.
Skylar,
Did you see the look?
turn the wheels that way.
Watch your legs, sweetie. Did you see her face?
Yeah.
Am I gonna hit you, Edelman? We good?
Go back that way, far. No, just go that way. It's deep as fuck right there.
We don't need the winch. No, we're good. We're good. You don't need the winch this time. No, yeah, you don't need it this time.
Keep winching. Hey, slow down. Bump, 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 bump. There you go.
All right, let's get down here.
It should have a hook.
I don't know that he has one.
Oh,
You
okay.
don't think so?
Bumper.
All right.
Here, I got this if you want to get your
Yeah. Axle strap.
I need to get me one of these. I haven't got one
I'm
yet.
gonna put it around here. I don't want to go too high up.
It shouldn't
Actually,
take
no,
much.
let me go down here. Actually.
You know what hurts you? You let off. When that bitch tilted, you let all the way off. So you lost.
I got a good shot of your face whenever you went down. It was good. Y'all ready? Oh shoot!
I got another battery. I got to buy another battery.
Shit!
Sorry, Carlos.
What's that?
I slacked on my jaw.
No, you're good. I got this.
I'm over here pulling plugs and shit. Hey, how do you keep your plugs straight? Mine break left and right. The little ears on the side, they snap off. I'm gonna, my stepdad's a machinist. I'm gonna sit you on the machine, some metal, aluminum, out of aluminum, that way they don't break. Aluminum? Oh, there you go. Those plastic, I break. Hey, back up and try to get yourself up here if you can. That way we can find them. We got two GoPros.
What's that?
Yeah, let's get a gas.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, now you got it.
I gotta let mine sit for a second. I think my fan was clogged up. It's turning on now. It's overheating,
Okay,
so I'm gonna let it sit for a second.
that's fine. Hey, here we go.
Good Lord. All right. All right. That was nice. Is that your boy?
Yeah,
That's awesome.
we're gonna let him go through it.
Hey,
No, put it low. All right, come on.
I told him to pull it up unless you gotta walk.
No, I told him, I said, come on through.
You're scared.
That's awesome.
Scared you can get on. I said, look, he ain't gonna bitch because that's less of a walk.
Yeah.
Us fat boys don't like to walk.
I said, shit, just pull it up here. He ain't gonna get mad.
Don't pay attention to me, pay attention to the road. That's right.
job, buddy. Heck yeah, nice.
Good job. That's it. Oh, full turn. Yes, sir. I got your
Hey, if you were driving, you would have made it through. Right out.
My bike was overheating, but my bike was overheating a second ago. My fan wasn't kicking on, but it's on now. I think there's some shit in there that's clogged up.
Good, Carlo?
I think so. For now, it is. The fan just kicked off. The temperature's back right.
Awesome.
So,
All right, I'll drag up fast.
let's go. You okay? Did I get you? I'm sorry. You like it? No? Don't worry, I'm a professional, okay? Whoa! Alright. I'm scared. I'm in between two titans.
Hey, you ain't gotta worry about this stuff.
That's true. You're hung up on this stump right here. Oh, whoa, hey, hey. You're on this stump on your A-arm.
What happened?
It's a stump. He just got hung up on his lower A-arm. Big old stump. You're good now? You're scared? I'm gonna take care of you, I promise. What's wrong? You still good back there? Hey, I remember this spot. Yeah, about that? What do you think about all that mud?